What's up guys, just a quick vlog. I'm here now in ALGADGETS Dubai. I'm here with Sir Brian and Sir Rock and the rest of the gang. I'm here just to tell you that good news is they have now the Mavic Mini 2, and let me tell you what are the pictures of the DJI Mavic Mini 2. There's now 31-minute max flight time, plus 10-kilometer distance, LPOC 2.0, and it has now the level 5 wind resistance, 3-axis gimbal camera. I think it's even before it's 3-axis. Now there's a 4K video on it. Wow, there's a 4K video guys, 4K video, 30 FPS. You can also switch to 24 FPS for cinematic shots, and of course panorama, quick shots, and one-shot videos. So this comes on the same package, but now as you can see, the controller is this. It's very similar to DJI Mavic Air 2 controller. So there you go guys. This one is 249 grams, same as the first Mavic Mini. Well, I'm pretty sure this is good for all the beginners who is new to drones. This one is for you guys. So there you have it. Thank you very much guys for watching this vlog, and I'm out.